Hey, so if you want your Webflow website to actually show up on Google, you need to set up SEO properly. It's not hard, but yeah, there are a few key things you don't want to miss. Let's go step by step. First, log into your Webflow account and open the project you want to optimize. Click on any page, then go to Page Settings. Add a clear title and meta description. This is what shows up in search results, so make it count. Make sure your page uses headings properly, like one H1 for the main title, then H2 and H3 for sections. This helps search engines understand your content. Next, optimize your images. Add alt text to describe each image. This improves SEO and accessibility. Keep your URLs short and clean, no random numbers or symbols, just simple, readable words. Set up open graph settings so your site looks good when shared on social media, like title, description, and preview image. Make sure search engines can index your site. In settings, check that indexing is enabled. Otherwise, your site won't appear in search results. After publishing, submit your sitemap to Google Search Console. This helps Google find and index your pages faster. Finally, publish your site so all your SEO changes go live. And that's it. Your Webflow SEO is set up and ready to rank. Just keep updating your content and you'll start seeing results over time. Hey,